Are you tired of hiding your legs because of those unsightly bulging veins? What if I told you that the secret to smooth, beautiful legs is right in your backyard? Hello, dear viewers. Today, I'm about to reveal a secret that the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know. A natural remedy, so powerful that it can transform your tired, vein-riddled legs into smooth, healthy limbs in just a few weeks. Ever wondered why some people never develop varicose veins even as they age? Their secret might lie in a simple green leaf that many of us have at home but rarely use. I'm talking about the lemon leaf. Yes, you heard that right. In the next few minutes, I'll share an ancient recipe that has the power to revolutionize your vascular health. This isn't just another internet miracle cure. It's a proven method backed by science and traditional wisdom. But before we dive into the recipe, let's understand what varicose veins are and why they develop. Varicose veins are swollen, twisted veins that you can see under your skin, usually on your legs. They happen when the valves in your veins become weak or damaged, causing blood to pool and the veins to enlarge. Factors like age, genetics, pregnancy, obesity, prolonged sitting or standing, and lack of exercise can all contribute to this condition. Now, how can a simple lemon help with all of this? Lemons are packed with nutrients that specifically target the issues contributing to varicose veins. They're loaded with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and improves the tone of your veins. They contain flavonoids that enhance blood circulation and strengthen your blood vessels. Plus, their antioxidants protect your veins from damage. And their alkalizing effect helps balance your body's pH levels, promoting better vein function. Ready to learn how to use lemon to target varicose veins? Here's my special lemon leaf tea recipe that can help improve your vein health when consumed regularly. But remember, while this natural remedy can be very effective, it's not a magic cure-all. Pair this treatment with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding long periods of sitting or standing are key to optimal results. Here's what you'll need for the lemon leaf tea. 2 fresh leaves from an unsprayed lemon tree, 300 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, preferably heather or sage honey. Preparation: wash the lemon leaves thoroughly. Boil the water in a small pot. Add the lemon leaves and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat, strain the tea into a cup, and allow it to cool slightly before stirring in the honey. This lemon leaf tea has a delightful fresh taste and a light yellow-green color. It's not just a tasty drink, it's a powerful boost for your circulatory system. If you don't have access to fresh lemon leaves, don't worry. You can still benefit from lemon juice. Simply mix the juice of half a fresh lemon with warm water and honey for an easy alternative. For best results, drink this tea warm in the morning on an empty stomach and again in the evening before bed. Many people report seeing improvements in their vein health within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. You might notice reduced swelling and discomfort even sooner. But drinking lemon tea isn't the only way to use lemon for varicose veins. You can also apply lemon juice directly to your veins, or use lemon essential oil mixed with a carrier oil for a soothing leg massage. As you embark on this journey to better vein health, I want to remind you that consistency is key. Natural remedies take time and patience, but with regular use, you'll start noticing improvements. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Wellness Ways, for more natural remedies and health tips. In my next video, we'll explore another surprising remedy for varicose veins, one you probably have in your kitchen right now. You won't want to miss it, so hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching. Here's to your health and beautiful vein-free legs. Bye for now.